Yo, how's it going, guys? It's Rhino once again, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to exactly the best render settings in Sony Vegas. If you guys want a tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas for free, just let me know in the comments below, and I will happily try to show that to you. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to render videos nice and quick. As you guys can see, I have this Infinite Warfare gameplay. It's only 44 seconds long, so the render is going to be going quick. But the longer the video, the slower the render is going to be. Anyways, this is just a gameplay of me lagging my balls off. Anyways, that's not the point of the video. I'm going to be showing you the best render settings. So, in case you guys didn't know, when I'm doing a tutorial on my computer, it will actually, the rendering, it will crop my video so I got like black bars, but I ended up fixing that. If you guys want to know how to fix that, you just right click on your gameplay or whatever, click on properties. You actually want to disable resample just because, and then maintain aspect ratio. You uncheck that and you click OK, and then everything would be okay. It might just be a little stretched out, but it's not a huge deal. File, but to render, all you gotta do is click on File, click on Render As, and then I already got them saved. I got 60 frames, one in the GPU render. The GPU render is the one that I do and I use because when you render with your, well, depending on what hardware you have in your computer, your GPU will probably be better, and mine is better than my CPU, so I use my GPU. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I use. You can name your template whatever. I just say GPU render. Video format, I use AVC. Frame size, I use high definition, of course. But yeah, that's your, I don't know. Just use a high definition one. This would actually be something useful right here. Allow source to adjust frame size, which I might actually end up doing, or alter with that. That might be a reason for the black bars too. I'd have to use that. I'll actually test it out later. Profile, high, because that's the only one I have. Entropy coding, the only one I have. Frame rate, use the highest one possible. I have 59.940. But if you have 60, I don't know if you can have 60, right? Yeah, 59.9 is, I guess, the highest. Field order, I use none. Bitrate, I use 10 million. You don't really want to go above 10 million or lower than 10 million, just pick 10 million. Then encode mode, like I said, I use render using GPU if available. But if you don't, maybe you don't have a GPU or whatever, maybe it's not like a gaming computer or whatever, then use your CPU. But I use my GPU because it's faster. Typically, your GPU will be better unless if you have like some like what do you call it? Intel i7s. Yeah, just some kind of Intel i7. Then your Intel i7 will probably be better, depending on your GPU. I have a pretty bad GPU. I have a 960, I believe. And then my CPU is i5-4460, and my GPU is actually better, I guess. It renders a lot faster. But like I said, if you have a Core i7, and then you have like a 960 GPU, you probably want to use your CPU because that will probably be better. Audio, I'm pretty sure I left that the same, but you guys can alter that to my settings if you feel like it. System, I guess let's check if you have, it says I have no GPU available, but whatever. I do, I can look right through my case and see it. Anyways, project, yeah, that's what I use. I don't think I messed with that at all. But this is the main stuff that you want to take a look in. But yeah, click on OK, and what you want to do is actually click on the star right next to it, and that will actually instead of showing you all these and having to try to find the one that you want, just click on the star and it's already favorited. And then along with that, I forgot I mentioned this before. You want to use Sony AVC/MVC.MP4 and all that junk. It's just one of the better renders that you can use, or you can use this main concept one, but I stick with the Sony. And then up here, you can just name it. You can man, I'm having brain farts. You can pick what folder it goes into. I'm gonna name this IW lag. I don't know why it was just capitalized there, but whatever. You click on your thing, and then you click on render, and it should start rendering pretty fast, depending on your software that you have. Or when I mean software, I mean hardware. When I said software, but I'll be back when this is done rendering. Alright, it is just about done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is done. And you got a little bing. And you can open up your folder. You can watch your video real quick. It'll display all the edits. I didn't edit the video at all, so yeah. As you guys can see, I am lagging in the video. Anyways, that's it. Like I said, if you guys want any tutorials on how to basically download Sony Vegas Pro for free, just let me know down in the description or comments, and I will give you guys the tutorial. Like I said, this has been Rhino, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.